How to fix can't connect to this network error on your Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix can't connect to this network error on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for network connections under your control panel. Just click on it and it will take you to the network connections, right? Now you just need to simply select your network, right click on it, go with properties. Now under properties here, you need to select the option of Internet Protocol version 4, and then you just need to simply go with properties. And under properties, if you've selected the manual address, then you just need to simply go with automatic. Go with obtain an IP address automatically, and then on the bottom also you need to go with automatically and go with OK and save. And after that, you can just close it or click on OK, save it. Once you've saved, you need to just right click on it again, and then you need to go with disable and again right click on it and then again go with enable, and that might fix your problem. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go with your Wi-Fi and just right click on your Wi-Fi, go with forgot or forget, and once you forgot, then you just need simply again connect to it, and after that your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the second thing you need to do is network reset. So first open up your settings. Under settings, you need to just search for network reset and just click on it. And here you need to click on network reset again and go with reset now, which is on the right side. And once you reset your network, then your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then you need to just go with command prompt, search for CMD and go with run as administrator and click on yes, and here you need to enter some commands. So the first command goes like netsh winsock reset. Make sure to enter the space in between, and after that hit the enter and your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with the next command or the second command, which is netsh space int space ip space reset log dot txt, and then hit the enter. And after that, your problem might be fixed. You just need something to go and exit it, restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't, then the next thing you need to do is update or uninstall the adapter. So just right click on your Windows and go with Device Manager. Under your Device Manager, you need to go with the network adapter section, and under that you need to select the network adapter in which you're facing the problem, and you need to double click on it, go with driver, and then go with update driver. Once you updated the driver, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and uninstall the driver. So go with uninstall device or disable device, and after that you need to restart and it will automatically install the driver and your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix can't connect to this network error on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.